This is Bearded Appliance Repair, and we're gonna help you fix it.
Today we got a KitchenAid dishwasher that is not washing very well. When you open the door here, you're not getting really any water getting pushed through it. And we're gonna get down to that sump and check it out, see what we can do to maybe clear it, or if there's a part that needs to be swapped out. But as you can see real good here, you're not getting much water flow at all. So we're gonna get down in there and check it out. To get down in there, the first thing we're gonna do is take off this lower wash arm here. You just get you some pliers and hold it in the center there and spin it counterclockwise. She'll come right off for you. Next, we wanna disconnect this water tube that goes up to that upper wash arm along. We'll first take off this blue piece right here, but there's clips on either side, there in the center and the back, and then there's two clips up top too near the upper wash arm that sprays down. You gotta get those clips out and then turn that sucker clockwise and she should pop off for you. Once those are out of the way, we're gonna get these 4 screws out. They're Torx, so if you have a Torx set, you can get them out fairly easy. But once you get those 4 screws out, some cover comes right off just like that. Look down in there, see if you can see anything. But underneath that cover is a chopper assembly, and I bet that's what the problem's gonna be. So we're gonna take this off as well. It's a smaller torque bit, but once we get it off, we'll be able to see if there's anything down in there. Once that cover's off, you can turn it around and check out that chopper assembly. We got food all up in it. We find out that the shaft on this sucker just stripped. So as you turn it, you can see it's not turning the blade at all. So we're gonna get a new chopper assembly put in this thing and clear up that sump. This is what a new chopper assembly looks like. You turn the shaft and the blade spins with it. So we're gonna put this thing in. This thing is actually pretty tough to get in. Wasn't able to get a video of it. Had to put it in with 2 hands. So you won't be able to see me put it in, but you wanna align the shaft on the other side of that with that motor that's down in there. And I will show you that here in a second, but you won't see me put the actual chopper assembly on. But here is the chopper assembly installed. You can see it connecting to the shaft of the motor on the inside. So I'm gonna turn this blade and you can actually see it turn the motor. But after you guys get that chopper assembly in, you just put everything back together like you took it apart, and then give her a good test once it's done. Once you get it all together,
You start a cycle, let it run, see what you get. That's the kind of water flow you're supposed to see. You're supposed to see a lot of water just flowing everywhere inside that dishwasher. If you were wondering if your dishwasher is actually flowing or if it's washing the way it's supposed to, just run it, open the door, and see what kind of water flow you get. If it looks like that, if it looks like a waterfall on the inside of it, most likely motor and everything like that is good. So if this has helped you out, leave me a like, comment, subscribe. If y'all have any troubles with it, I mean, just holler at me. I'm here to help, guys. Thanks again for watching.